Okay, so this is how I make tomahawk steaks. I cut this part of the ribs here, makes these like a little short rib rack, and then this is part of the back strap. We'll just keep that as regular steaks. So follow the spine down. You'll kind of feel the bone you're cutting here, and then you need to kind of cut in at another angle like that. And it'll you'll feel it bouncing off the ribs, essentially. And then you can kind of look in there and see that you have it separated. And then come on this side. So you want every other one is going to have like a flush cut with the rib, essentially. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. There we go. So one side is going to have rib meat, and the other side will be bone, like that. And then just kind of snap it off. Make sure it's cut completely off right there. Find the cartilage spot, and then this is your tomahawk steak. So, and I leave all this fat on there too. When you're grilling it, it makes it really tender and delicious. So yeah, just repeat the process all the way down, and then for every rib section.